Hello and welcome to SuiteDesign. I'm going to be doing a video on the game called Minecraft. Now the first thing I'm going to do is show you where to get the Minecraft_server.jar. So what you want to do is you want to go into Safari and you want to make a new window. And inside your search bar you want to type Minecraft. Go into Minecraft.net, go into download, and the Minecraft server.jar is there. I'd just like to point out this is a video for Mac, so please don't ask me about Windows. Right, so I'm going to download that server.jar, and I'm going to take this piece of terminal command, and I'm just going to copy it using Command C. Right, now I'm going to go in here and I'm going to make a new server called tutorial server. Right, now what I'm going to do, which you won't need to do, is just going to copy my server properties so I can start the server on a new port. Oops. Right, okay, you don't need that anymore, as long as you've copied it. You've made sure you've copied it, you've got it. Right, now what I like to do is I like to go into text edit, copy it in using Shift Alt Command V. No, is it file? No, edit, paste and match style. Oh, I see. Just going to make a new one. Yeah, Shift Alt Command V. Like that. And it will paste it like that. Now I have 2 gigs of RAM available for my server, so I will put 2048. So 2048 is 2 gigs of RAM, and 1024 is 1 gig of RAM. So it's 1024 or 1024 per gig of RAM. So let's say you had 10. It would be 10, 24 and a 0, so that's 10,240. Simple. Right. Okay, now I'm going to copy that, and I'm just going to go into my downloads folder and drag the Minecraft server.jar into my tutorial server folder. Now I'm going to go into Macintosh HD where a server is set, and I'm going to create a new window. Type CD, and I'm going to drag in tutorial server, drag it in, press enter. Now that doesn't happen, right, nothing happens. I'm going to copy my 2 gig of RAM thing. You've got to change both of these values here, so both of them need to be changed to RAM. But mine's 2048, so I'm going to put the value of RAM in there. So 2048, if you get what I mean. I'm going to copy that, paste it in, and I'm going to press enter. And it's going to say failed to load, and it will prepare the spawn area. Now I'm just going to stop the video, and then I'll shoot you back when I have finished preparing the spawn. Okay, welcome back to the server. Welcome back. A long time after. Got distracted by something, so had to sort that out. Okay, so let's continue where we start, where we left off. Right, so we have the server booted, but when people try and connect, other than yourself, they can't connect. Now you're probably wondering, why is this? We boot the server and it should be working fine. But what you have to do is you have to go into an application called Port Map, and this displays your IP that you would give to your players and the ports that you need to put on. Now I set mine as 66 because my other one is running at the same time. I just need to press new one. 6, and I'm going to call this, what did I call it? Tutorial. Wait for it to go for public port. It's orange, green. Right, so you need to copy this, the thing that's here, and go into Minecraft. Wait for it to load slowly. We're nearly in. Now this is going to give me a bit of lag because I'm running 2 servers at the same time. Right, so that's my normal IP. So I'm going to paste in the one that was just there. I'm going to type 25566. That's the IP that I would use, that the players would use. Or if you have it on 25555 or 25565, which is what it's normally set to, and you don't want to change that, it should be 25565. So yours would be 25565, just like that. So it would set up like 25565 instead. Right, so now that's what you would give to your players, and then they can now connect. Slowly. And then this will give you a list of what's happened. It should say that Bumblebee13 has now logged into your server. Currently downloading this array. Oh no, sorry. I've gone into the wrong server. Right, it needs to be 25566, sorry about that. That's what yours would normally be, this is what mine will be. As you can see, just here it says Bumblebee13, booting in, logged in with entity ID 4210, blah 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 blah. That's what I think of that, and here you go. Here is your map. Now I'm not going to do much recording of this, it's just a basic map, and yeah. Now, you, as a local host, you can set it as that one. You can use that IP, or you can use this one, which is localhost up 25565 for you and 25566 for me. Simple, and that'll do the same thing. Now, if you wanted to change the server thing, or you would like to back it up, you would go into server.properties and you would change the level name. If you want to change the level name, you can set the max players, spawn animals, online mode. Online mode set to false is for cracked versions, and then spawn protection is for when people aren't OPs and you don't want them to break anything within the first 4 blocks around them. Whitelist, allow flight, which I like. Level seed, I recommend Gargamel. That's just a really cool seed. Otherwise you would just have that blank. Person versus person. Person versus person, yeah, it's just basically explained it out, haven't I? You can set it to true for people to buy and set it to false for people to not buy. Now, server IP, it's just sort of server IP really, isn't it? You don't want to change that, because that's if you were doing it as if you paid for it, I think. I'm not sure, I've never used it before, but I know that I've tried to use it before and it's ruined my server, which is a bad thing. Now here's where you put the whitelisted players, here's where you put the OPs, banned players and banned IPs. I would go through the server commands, but I'm a little bit far into the video. So thanks for watching. I'll be doing a craft bucket one as well. Unfortunately I can't do plugins because it's not supported, because I don't have Java 6, because it doesn't seem to work on my computer. unfortunately, otherwise I will be doing. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, rate and subscribe.